In a world where leadership is often defined by power, one woman redefined it through heart, vision, and transformation. Mayor Vilma Balacaluag, the first ever female mayor of San Fernando, Pampanga, didn't just break barriers, she built bridges.
Tuloy-tuloy lang yung mga projects and programs natin. Siyempre, hindi naman pwedeng maantala yun, dire-diretso lang.
Nakikita ko yung mga public officials, no? So talagang sila yung tutulong, no? At sila yung may pondo talaga para sa mahihirap. So sabi ko, ako siguro kung ako yung mamumuno, magagawa ko lahat yung pinapangarap kong pangangailangan ng mahihirap.
From humble beginnings as barangay captain of Dolores to being president of the Association of Barangay Captains to city councilor and now the city's local chief executive. Her leadership journey has always been one with the people, for the people.
Kasi kailangan maubos natin lahat yung mga walang trabaho dito para wala nang mahirap, para wala nang magnanakaw, para wala nang magugutom.
Makikita mo, pag may sakit yung tao, mahirap, mamamatay na lang siya. Hindi siya nakakaranas ng treatment. It's because wala silang pera. So, nagbibigay tayo ng free chemotherapy sa mga cancer patient natin na less fortunate. Tapos yung mga less fortunate nating mga senior citizen, nililibre natin sila ng maintenance nila. At nililibre natin sila ng hospitalization nila.
A mother to her city, a servant to her people, a transformational force, leading with purpose, powered by love. Congratulations, Mayor Vilma Caluag, for winning the Transformational Woman Leader of the Year.
At hindi ko kayo ilalagay sa baku-bakong lugar. Ilalagay ko kayo sa magandang posisyon. Ilalagay ko kayo sa maganda. Hindi ko kayo pababayaan. Hanggat ako yung nanay ninyo, magsisilbi ako bilang nanay niyo. Makakaasa kayo na dahil Fernandino ka, lagi kang kasali sa lahat ng programa niyo.